Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I have a quick Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I'm set up in another room today just because I'm trying to get the video done quickly, so I think I'm just going to go through everything here on the table instead of showing you one thing at a time. I mean, I will show you one at a time, but not in separate clips, just in one full clip so that I can get the video done. So I did find some more fall items that I'm really happy about. I picked up the regular chips that I got last time, which we really liked. They are called Hard Bite. They are handcrafted style chips, nothing artificial. They are gluten-free and non-GMO. And they are $2 in price, and they are made in Canada. So last time I ended up picking up the all natural, and the size of the bag is 150 grams. I had also gotten spicy dill, and these I picked up some more of them because we finished those off pretty quick. I had also gotten the all dressed, which this one was my favorite. And then this time around, I found a couple new flavors. So this one here says cooked in 100% avocado oil. And this one was sweet ghost pepper. Can't wait to try that one. And then another favorite, which I haven't tried in this brand, but in other brands, is the honey Dijon. So really excited to try that one as well. Then my daughter was with me that day, so she just picked up this smaller bag of the Party Mix Humpty Dumpty Snack Mix in Original. And this is just an 85-gram bag. Let me just move the chips out of the way. Okay, so I'm just gonna do what's right in front of me. So one of my favorite finds, there were a few favorites, but this I would have to say was my absolute favorite find at Dollar Tree, and they are these salt and pepper pumpkins that look like they could be a Ray Dunn piece. So the white one says thankful, and then the orange one says blessed. How adorable is that? One of my favorite salt and pepper shakers that I have seen, not only at the Dollar Tree, but in general. And these, they just say salt and pepper shakers on the bottom, but even coming in this cardboard, thicker cardboard box, they look really nice to give as a gift. So I did pick up 4. Next, I picked up a couple more pieces from their Over the Rainbow jewelry collection for children. This one I thought was really cute. It kind of went along with the pastel necklace that I picked up in the previous Dollar Tree haul. But I had gone to a different Dollar Tree. It wasn't planned. We just happened to pass by it, and I popped in. And so I found the bracelet and the little ring to go with it. And then I also picked up this 4-piece Over the Rainbow rings. And how adorable are these? There's a little popcorn bucket with pink popcorn, a unicorn, ice cream, and a flower. Super cute, all in the pastel colors. I picked up this Storage Essential, that is the brand, utensil caddy, and I thought this was really cute. I like the size of it, and I'm just gonna keep it in my sink excuse me, for when I'm rinsing out my cutlery. It doesn't have holes on the bottom, so it would have been better. This way the water would be able to go through, but I just needed something to put them in so that as I add them to the sink before putting them in the dishwasher, I can keep them in here. I picked up this Deli Market excuse me, fresh deli market quality mustard, yellow mustard in 550 ml bottle. Another neat thing that I found, again by Storage Essentials, is this large egg holder shelf. And you can see in the picture there, it has these two flaps on the top, and they slide onto one of your shelves in your fridge, and then you can place the eggs in there. So it's really great for space saving. A really neat idea. I haven't tried it in my fridge yet, but I did pick up one just to try it to see how it works. I picked up two of their Dollar Tree tabletop sign, and this is by, it's just called Seasonal. And so these have the chalkboard on the back. As you can see, it says "Write on Me," and then on the front, this one says "In all things give thanks." And then the second one that I found was this one, which says "Hello Fall." I really love these. I picked up a couple. Oh, let me go here first. I picked up some of their metal buckets, and these are a larger size. Just says round tin pot, but these are really pretty, and I love picking these up and then putting mums in them and setting them around the rooms, in different rooms. So this one here says "Hello Autumn." The next one says "Welcome Fall." And they have it both on both ends of the tin. And then the third one I picked up says "Autumn days are the best." So really pretty metal tins. I came across some chargers. I was originally just going to use the chargers that I have on my table. They were the honeycomb charger in the gold, because I figure gold, it reminds me of the harvest wheat. So I was just going to use these. And then I came across these, and I thought they were so pretty. They're a really nice red copper color. And I really like these, so I just ended up getting 6 of these, and as you can see, they have the leaf design on it. Just so pretty. So these will be my fall plate chargers. So 6 of those. Then I picked up these. I was really excited about. Funny thing is, I had only found 5. And then as we were checking out, I happened to turn my head, and there was one. Somebody stuck it on a shelf, so I ended up getting 6. Now, I don't know if I'm going to use these as an actual glass for my table setup, or I'm going to use these to make a centerpiece. They are so pretty. As you can see, they have this mother of pearl incandescent finish to them. So pretty, and they are shaped as a pumpkin. So I did get 6 of those. And then the last thing that I have to show you are these signs. And I did get 3 last year, I believe, but I don't remember seeing these ones last year, so they may be new this year. They are just hanging sign. That's what it says on the back. And they are so cute. They are nice in thickness and very sturdy. This one says "Spice Apple Cider," and then it has the recipe for it, and then the instructions. And then the second one that I picked up is this cinnamon sugar cookie sign with the recipe. I just absolutely love these. Of course, I love putting them in my kitchen. So the other 3 that I had, 3 or 2, I can't remember. I have them in my guest house / workspace, but these ones I think I'm going to keep in my kitchen. So was really excited to pick these up. And that is my Dollar Tree haul. I was really happy that I ended up stopping in, especially for these salt and pepper shakers. I really haven't been watching too many hauls, so I don't even know what's out there. So this was a really pleasant surprise. I hope that you guys are enjoying your summer, which is almost going to be coming to an end, and enjoying going to the Dollar Tree and seeing all your fall goodies that have arrived or hopefully will be arriving. So if you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul, then I would appreciate it if you would give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.